CBD Mobile App, a smarter way to manage your everyday banking. Updating your signature in the CBD Mobile App is simple and secure. You will be guided step by step to complete everything in just a few taps. To update your signature, log in to the CBD Mobile App using your preferred method, either by using Face ID, UAE Pass, or by entering the password. On the home screen, tap your profile icon to open Settings. Then select Personal Details and tap Update Signature to get started. For security reasons, you will be guided through a short process to confirm your details. Simply follow the instructions on your screen. Take a moment to review the signature currently linked to your account. Then, click on Next and choose the accounts where you would like the signature to be updated and tap Next. Please note that updating your signature may affect previously issued checks. If you are comfortable proceeding, tap Proceed for the signature update. You will then be asked to take a photo of your new signature on paper. Make sure the signature is clear and fully visible within the frame. Take a moment to review your new signature. If needed, you can retake the photo. When you are happy with it, tap Next to continue. You will then see your previous signature displayed alongside the new one. Once ready, tick the confirmation box, then tap Next and proceed to complete the update. You will be guided through a short process to confirm your details. Simply follow the instructions on your screen. Your request has now been received and is being processed. Please note that this may take up to 2 business days. Tap Back to Dashboard to return to the home screen. With the CBD mobile app, managing account details is simple, secure, and fully digital. Don't have the app yet? Download it now and enjoy simple, secure banking on the go.